Well, about the time we got all our, about half our yo-yos out, it started coming down a pretty good rain, so we decided to move on into the bank and set up a small little rain shelter here. I had a tarp with me and some rope, so tied this rope in between these two trees. And we're hoping this rain will pass over, and then we'll go see if we got anything on these yo-yos and go back and hopefully we'll set out a few more yo-yos this afternoon. But a lot of thunder going on and some heavy rains right now. But hopefully it'll pass. I'm gonna let y'all take a look at this little shelter I got rigged up. Got the boat parked close by, and we can be down here at these yo-yos in less than 15 minutes. Well, probably less than 5 minutes. Just around this bend on this lake right here. It's not where we normally would have gone, but we knew that we had rain that's possibly coming in, so we stayed fairly close to where we launched.